If you believe your account has been unfairly banned on Robinhood, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your account number, any emails or notifications you received about the ban, and a record of your trading activity. This will help you present a clear case. Step 2. Review Robinhood's policies. Familiarize yourself with Robinhood's terms of service and community guidelines. Understanding the rules can help you identify if there was a misunderstanding or if you inadvertently violated any policies. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Robinhood's customer support through the app or their website. Use the chat feature or submit a request form, clearly stating your account details and the reason you believe the ban should be lifted. Step 4. Submit a formal appeal. If customer support does not resolve the issue, you can submit a formal appeal. Write a concise message outlining your case, including any evidence that supports your claim. Be polite and professional in your communication. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Robinhood. If you do not receive a reply within a reasonable timeframe, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal a ban on Robinhood. Remember to remain patient and persistent throughout the process.